Nick has an entire menu of items set up in his back office, but Professor Silver wants to show him another option for creating a menu database: importing items from a spreadsheet.
Hi, Professor Silver. This is my friend Sarah. She owns Sarah's Deli, a sandwich shop right next door to Nick's common room. They have a large takeout and delivery service. Sarah just started using NCR Silver Pro Restaurant too, and she was hoping you could help her set up her menu.
Hi, Sarah. I would be happy to help you set up your menu.
Thank you, Professor Silver. I'm anxious to get NCR Silver Pro Restaurant up and running in my restaurant.
I showed Nick how to set up his items manually, but there is another way to add items to your back office database. You can add new items to your menu using the Import Items button on the Categories and Items page. First, you must download the template from the back office. Then you can input your data into the template, review the data, and import the items. You can enter a maximum of 999 items into the template. Don't worry if you have more than 999 items. Simply divide your database into multiple files.
That makes it easy to add a lot of items to my menu all at one time.
It sure does. The template includes many of the same fields as the Add Item form in the back office. 4 fields are required: category, item name, price, and tax category. Do not forget to make sure your tax categories are set up first, and then make sure they exactly match your import file. The remaining fields, which are part of Extended Item Setup, are optional. Note that item variations, printer groups, print priority, and tags must still be set up manually. The description field has a 30-character maximum. The barcode field only accepts numeric values. In the prompt for price field, enter Y for yes or N for no.
So if I enter yes, the POS app will prompt the employees to enter the price of that item?
That is right. In the price field, you do not need to enter the $, just the price of the item. In the sold by weight measure field, N indicates the item is sold by unit, and Y indicates the item is sold by weight or measure. Remember to type in the tax category exactly as it appears in the Taxes section of the back office. In the POS active field, enter Y for yes or N for no. This determines if the item is available at the POS.
That seems so easy, Professor Silver. Is there anything else I should know about the template?
It's important to fill in the fields correctly to avoid getting error messages on import. Some common errors include exceeding the maximum characters allowed, entering the tax category incorrectly, duplicating item names, or duplicating barcodes. When you have completed filling in the template, be sure to save your file. Then, select Browse to select File on the Import Item screen, select the file you created, and then select Open and Review Item List at the bottom of the screen.
Wow, that was fast.
All of the items are listed right here.
Well, you're not done yet, Sarah. You still need to review the items listed on the screen to ensure there are no errors. Errors are indicated by red triangles next to the item name. If you hover over the red triangle, you will see a description of the error. The final step before importing is to correct any errors and select Import Item List. All of the items from your spreadsheet now appear on the Categories and Items page in the correct categories.
Professor Silver, at Sarah's Deli, we only serve items that are sourced locally from the farmer's market in town, so a lot of our items are only available for a short time. Is there a fast and easy way to edit items in the back office?
Of course! A very helpful feature on the Categories and Items page is the Edit Multiple Items button. select Edit Multiple Items on the bottom of the Categories and Items page. You can choose a category from the drop-down menu to see all items in that category. Or you can enter a term in the search field to see all items with that term in their name or description. Simply check the items you wish to edit and enter their new values in the fields on the right. For your scenario, you would just remove the check from the Is Active box. In addition to changing item availability, some Edit Multiple Items options include updating pricing, moving items to a new category, changing the tax category, changing the printer group, changing the print priority, adding or removing modifier or menu item status, adding or removing modifier groups. Another helpful feature on the Categories and Items page is Sort Order. Here you can select the black arrows to change the order in which categories are presented. Lastly, there is a search feature on the Categories and Items page that makes it easy to locate both categories and items. Simply enter in a keyword in the search box and the back office will display any category or item that contains that word. Remember, when it's time to add new items to your menu, the Import Items feature is fast and easy. You can add up to 999 items at a time, and they will be automatically organized into categories in the back office based on your import file. And don't forget, your Silver Concierge Specialist will be happy to help you import your items.
Nick and Sarah both have a large menu of items listed in the back office. They are ready to ring up sales. Next time, Nick will learn how to increase his business with discounts and offers.